G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Thank you for joining us. Today we are making the fluffy duck. So let's get started. First thing to do, we're going to use a balloon glass today. So grab that and load it up with some ice. Don't be shy. All right, so first step, Contro, 15 mils. Next step, we're going to go with some white rum, 30 mils. Some Advocat, 30 mils. Looks like custard. There you go. Next step, 30 mils of cream. Now we're going to do 30 mils of OJ. I'm going to put a little bit more ice in there. And the last piece of the puzzle is to top up with lemonade. And there you have the fluffy duck, but first, let's get a little straw, I reckon. Beautiful, and a nice distilled garnish. And there you have the fluffy duck. Enjoy.